Good morning, everyone. Let us study a new grammar topic, that is degrees of comparison. So, have you heard of this? Degrees of comparison. See, tell me an example. This is a good pen. Good pen. So, what is that good in parts of speech? Pen is a noun. So, good is a adjective. This pen is better than this. This pen is better than this. The word better speaks about again pen. Is it not so? This pen is better than this pen. A and B. You see, B is better than A. So, better also speaks about a pen or pens. Okay, noun. Okay, so it is also an adjective. So, this is the best pen. Among all the three, this is the best. Among all the three, this is the best pen. So, good, better, best. See, when there is only one, you can say good pen. When there are two, you can compare and say better than this. When there are more than two, you see, 3 or 4 or whatever, more than 2, you can say the best among all the pens, or among all the people, or among all the things. So, good, better, best. All these three are comparison of adjectives. In a way, they are what? Comparison of what? Adjectives. So, 3 degrees. Number 1, good, positive degree. Look here, positive degree. You see? Number 2, what is that? Comparative degree. And number 3, superlative degree. So, positive, comparative and superlative degree. 3 degrees of comparisons. When there is only one, you have to use positive. Only one, you have to use a positive. 2, comparative. Comparison between 2. Comparison between 2. And more than 2, 3 or 4 or how much ever, no problem. You see, more than 2, superlative. So, 3 degrees. See, positive, comparative and what? Superlative. So, take some examples. See, good, better, best. Good, better, best. Bad, worse, worst. Bad, worse, worst. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Okay, now can you say some more examples? Tall, taller, tallest. Intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. So, in that way, okay, now large, larger, largest. Is it not so? Whichever way, clever, cleverer, cleverest. Yes, in any way you can say that. So, 3 degrees of comparisons: positive, comparative and superlative. Is it clear to you? Positive, comparative and superlative degrees, degrees of comparison. Okay, na? There are 3 degrees: positive, comparative and superlative degrees. Okay, now I repeat once again. Positive is used when there is only one, a good boy. Is it not so? A beautiful girl. You see, more beautiful than. See, Sita is more beautiful than Sheila. Okay, now when there are 2, more than. Okay, Sita is the most beautiful among all the girls. Sita is a beautiful girl. Is it not so? A very beautiful girl. We can say, no problem. Okay, a beautiful girl. So, more beautiful than. A is more, beautiful than B. You see, she is the most beautiful of all the girls. Is it clear to you? When there is only one, you have to use what degree? Positive. When there are 2, but you have to use a comparative. Between 2, among, not among, between 2. And when there are more than 2, superlative among all the 3 or 4 or more than that. Is it clear to you? Positive, comparative and superlative. Now, what we have to study is change into other degrees without changing the meaning. Yes, little part of it is rubbed out, no problem. Change into other degrees without changing the meaning. Can you see it? Change into other degrees without changing the meaning. That is what you have to learn. Type 1, you see? An example, Aditya is the best school in India. The best. See, word of comparison is the best. See, always you must use the with superlative degree. The best student, the best school, the best performance, whatever. The should be there with the superlative. So, can you say or change the superlative degree into comparative and positive without changing the meaning? What I say? What I say? Change into other degrees without changing the meaning. You have to change into other degrees without changing the meaning. Change into other degrees without changing the meaning. So let me write see, better than. With the comparative, the word than should be there because comparison, okay, I mean between. So than, I mean any other. See, mark this word, any other. Any other, see, I mean school in AP, sorry, school in India. Better than, see, not many other but any other school in India. So, A is better than any other student. See, for example, Mr. A is the best student in our school. Mr. A or Rahul or whatever is the best student in our school. See, Mr. A is better than any other student in our school. So, it contains same meaning. Though the degree is changed from superlative to comparative degree, the meaning is one and the same. The meaning is one and the same. So, better than any other school in India. So, let us come to positive degree. See, no other school in India, no other school in India is as good as Aditya. No other school in India is as good as Aditya. Take another example. Example number 2. I mean, Rahul is the best student in our school. Can you say remaining? The best. Here, the best. So, comparison should be better than. Rahul is better than any other student in our school. No other student in our school is as good as Rahul. A is the best student in our class. A is better than any other student in our class. No other student in our class is as good as Mr. A. That is type 1. Okay, na? Mark the word of comparison. The best, better than, see, as good as. Positive, as good as or so good as. See, no other school in India is as good as. No other student in our class is as good as Rahul. So, the best, better than, as good as or so good as. Mark it. Best, better than, as good as or so good as. That is the first type of degrees of comparison. Type number 1. Is it clear to you? Can you say A is the best student in our class? A is better than any other student in our class. No other student in our class is as good as Mr. A. Shall I repeat out? I hope it is clear to you. Now type 2. Type 2. Same example let us take. Aditya is one of the best schools in India. It should be plural. School, not schools. See, top level schools, very few are there. Among them, it is one among, not a single, but a few among, or many are there, or the meaning is plural. See, Aditya is one of the best schools in India. So, one of the plus superlative, but meaning should be same. One among many. Not alone, it is not alone, one among many. So, how will write the positive comparative degree? Aditya is better than many other schools or most other. Many other schools in India. See, many other. So, top schools, few are there. Among them, it is one among them. Okay, na? It is one among the most famous. Okay, the best. See, among the better schools, top level, very few are there. It is one among them. So, better than many other schools. Isn't it so? Not the best. See, better than many other schools in India. See, positive, very few FEW schools in India are, not is, plural, as good as Aditya. Very few schools in India are as good as Aditya. See, again, the word of comparison as, you see, better than, see, the best, it is maintained. The word of comparison is maintained, same, okay na? The best, better than, as good as. Take another example. Chennai is one of the most populous cities in India. Chennai is more populous than, you see, many other or most other cities in India. Cities. Very few cities in India are as populous as Chennai. Is it not so? Yes. Mumbai is one of the largest cities in India. Mumbai is larger than many other cities in India. Very few cities in India are as large as Mumbai. Very few cities in India are as large as Mumbai. You can say any example in this way. Remember, the best better than, as good as. Okay, na? The word of comparison is same. It is same as maintained, but one of the plus superlative, it is not the best or the most, but one among. It is plural. Okay, na? That is type number 2. Is it clear to you? It is not the best. See, the best not. One of the best schools. So, top level, few schools are there. Very good, the best. Among the top level, it is one among them. The best. Okay, na? Yes, one of the best schools. Or many other schools better than. Okay, na? Then as good as Aditya. Okay, na? Very few schools, only very few are there as good as. See, not any other, but very few schools in India are as good as Aditya. That is type 2. I hope it is clear to you. Now, let us come to type 3. There is comparison between two, only two things are there. Okay, now type 1, 2, 3. Very simple, only between two things. A is better than B. What about B? B is not as good as A. Rahul is taller than Raju. Raju is not as tall as Rahul. Sheila is more beautiful than Sita. Sita is not as beautiful as Sheila. Is it not so? Yes. C is more intelligent than D. D is not as intelligent as C. So, only two are there. Comparison between two. Is it not so? Raju is richer than Ramu. Ramu is not as rich as Raju. That's all. Between two. Okay, na? Yes. See, type 4. Same you take A is not better than B. See, here it is positive, here is negative. That's the only difference. See, A is, if note is not there, say is better than B, no? If this note is not there, suppose, it is as same as type 3, but note is there. Okay, now? So, A is not better than B. So, B is as good as A. Same. So, here it is positive, answer is negative. Here it is negative, answer is positive. If you take that note and place here, same. Look here, A is better than B. B is not as good as A. A is not better than B. B is as good as A, or B is at least as good as A. Without that also meaning correct, but there is a usage. B is without this at least also meaning correct, no problem. Okay, na? The difference between type 3 and type 4 is between positive and negative. Here it is positive, answer is negative. Here it is negative, answer is positive. That is the only difference. So, type 3 and type 4, little bit difference only is there, negative, positive difference. Look here, A is not better than B. B is as good as A. Okay, now? Is it clear to you? Yes. Raju is better than Ramu. Ramu is not as good as A. Raju is not better than Ramu. Ramu is at least as good as Raju, no? That is all. 4 types of degrees of comparison. If one sentence is given, can you change to other degrees? Of course, you have to. Okay, na? Yes. This room is better than that room. That room is not as good as this. That is all. This room is not better than that room. Room is at least as good as this. Okay, na? Take that example. Another example. This house is better than that. Means that house is better than. See, that house is not as good as this. Answer what? That house is not as good as this. That's type 3. So type 4 how it will be? Type 4. Type 4 can you say? This house is not better than that. Okay now? This house is not better than that. Not better than. So how will be the answer? Okay. That house is as good as this. Is it not so? Or at least is as good as this. This means this house. That's all. So the difference between 3 and 4 is between negative and positive. Here it is positive, answer is negative. Here it is negative, answer is positive. This is a structure of degrees of comparison. To understand it better, you have to practice it using more examples. If it is not clear to you, let me know it. I will explain it with more examples. Thank you for watching. For more updates, subscribe the channel SGK English. Thank you.